miracle to today miracle. Papa promote. If Jehovah control your destiny, na glory you see. People them asked, who raised you? I reply loud, na heaven board sign my upgrade. Enemy plan my stagnation, Papa accelerate. Now my matter they flash like VIP light. Funny line, enemy plan traffic of delay. Papa change signal. Now my movement they fast lane for miracle scream. My matter don't change. Final carnival, victory parade. Live my story, raise my glory. Turn my struggle to celebration. Right my road, carry my load. Show my matter for world. DJ Jerryman, no dollar. If Papa don't upgrade your life, dance like top level testimony they move. Because my matter don't change. My matter don't change. Level. My matter don't change. DJ Jerryman, no dollar. DJ Jerryman, no dollar. If Papa don't upgrade your life, dance like top level testimony they move. Because DJ Jerryman, no dollar. 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 If Papa don't upgrade your life, dance like top level testimony they move. Because my matter don't change level. DJ Jerryman, no dollar. DJ Jerryman, Jerryman, DJ DJ Jerryman, open the sound.
Welcome aboard DJ Jerryman live in the studio. Now the day I hear congratulations, well I just deliberately add this track to it as it is my birthday song, specially made for myself for my birthday in time past, and it is part of service I also render. As in, if you want a track like this, either on birthday, wedding, reception song, customized fully in your name, and a jingle, anniversary, any form of song that you want your name, your identity to be fully incorporated into the song, into the tracks, no challenge, contact me, DM me, and we can pick it up from there. And I believe what you will see is wonder. So kindly do that if you are interested. So this one, let's just check it out. It's my birthday song. God bless you. Remain connected. The best is yet to come. Now the day I hear congratulations is what I titled it. God bless you.
Congratulations, right leg, congratulations, two and up, congratulations.